Yo, what is up, Flocky? It's a hot ass day in Atlanta, man. It's finally warming up. I just got a few things I want to show y'all. Tight shit. Box, but I just bought a soundboard, so I'm gonna start podcasting soon. I just gotta paint in here and buy some mics. I already got a few mics already, so a few mics and some mic stands and wires, and I already got cameras. I'm holding the camera. My roommate got a camera, so we're gonna do the podcast over here. I just gotta paint this whole black and put some, what do you want? Yeah, it's a few. Yeah.
Yeah, I only got good taste in that. They'll just stand my way. They be like me, she don't take me away. Like so tough, it's got me so wasted.
Come with exchangeable glasses. One of these shits fit on. I wonder if Takeoff could fit these. You think? They fit him perfect. You don't lie. These shits look better than my best friends. It's gonna help me cultivate the Scarface vibes. The Scarface vibes is coming soon.
She didn't make me Kimmy cause I told her she go Barbie, huh? Please don't stand around me, that be gnarly. Please don't stand around me, it's a beast inside my body, huh? Please don't stand around me, huh? Beast inside my body, huh? Catch cheese and whip so smooth.